Are you still managing your gym and fitness equipment maintenance business using WhatsApp, phone calls, and Excel sheets? As your business grows, so do your service requests, equipment maintenance schedules, AMC contracts, spare parts, and customer expectations. Managing everything manually starts costing you time, money, and customers. That's why NetMaxims built a powerful gym and fitness equipment maintenance software designed specifically for businesses that manage and maintain gym and fitness equipment. In this demo, we'll walk you through the software's 4 core modules: customer, engineer, subcontractor, and admin. Everything starts with the customer. Using the mobile app or web portal, customers can raise service requests, manage gym equipment across multiple locations, track maintenance activities, access complete service history, review AMC and maintenance records, and stay updated with engineer reports. As soon as a request is submitted, it is instantly available to the admin team. The admin dashboard is the control center of the entire operation. Admins can review new service requests, assign engineers or subcontractors, schedule preventive maintenance, manage AMC contracts, upload equipment manuals, import machine data in bulk, monitor engineer timesheets, track every maintenance job from creation to completion, generate service reports and certificates, and monitor the entire business through live dashboards, analytics, activity logs, and real-time notifications. Once the maintenance job is assigned, the engineer is notified immediately. Using the engineer app, technicians receive instant job notifications and can accept or reject assignments. They can clock in with GPS, perform equipment inspections, complete maintenance checklists, upload photos, report equipment issues, capture customer signatures, record working hours, and submit detailed maintenance reports directly from the field. Every update is synchronized with the admin dashboard in real time. For businesses working with external service partners, the subcontractor portal ensures seamless collaboration. Subcontractors can manage assigned customers and equipment, receive maintenance jobs, update job progress, upload service reports, and stay synchronized with the admin team throughout the entire maintenance process. Whether you're maintaining 20 gym facilities today or planning to manage hundreds tomorrow, NetMaxims gives you everything you need to automate equipment maintenance, improve engineer productivity, and deliver a professional customer experience. Stop managing gym equipment maintenance manually. Start building a smarter and more scalable maintenance operation with NetMaxims gym and fitness equipment maintenance software. Book your free demo today